Looking at the 1-2 work together, we are going to complete 4 different transactions, and we are not even going to be looking at dollar amounts like $200, $500 like we did in our PowerPoint. We're just looking at whether it's a positive or an increase or a negative sign to indicate a decrease in the account. So we are going to, first transaction, we bought supplies on account. So the 2 accounts that are affected would be supplies, and when we buy on account, that's when we have a creditor saying that we could pay them back later. So that would be called accounts payable, and that would be a liability. So supplies is an asset. So that's going to increase. So I put a plus sign there because we're going to increase the value of our supplies. We're also going to increase the value of our liabilities. So we owe that company more money. So it's a positive and a positive, and both sides are equal. Transaction number 2, we receive cash from an owner as an investment. So if we received cash, we know that our cash account is going to increase. And then we know that the owner makes an investment in the company that increases owner's equity. So we have cash, which is an asset, increasing, and our owner's equity increasing. Transaction number 3, paid cash for insurance. So if we pay cash, we know that cash is going to decrease, but also our prepaid insurance is going to increase. So we have a negative because cash is going down, but then we also have a positive because prepaid insurance is an asset and that's increasing. Those 2, positive and a negative sign, cancel each other out. So the left side and the right side of our equation are still equal. One more transaction, paid cash on account. When we pay cash, that's an asset that is decreasing. And our liability account, when we owe them money, we add to that liability account. When we pay them, we decrease it because we owe them less. So this is what our work together 1-2 is like. You could do that as many times as you would like. Do it also along with me, hopefully, on your purple paper so that you have it as a good reference as you go through the rest of the problems.